Hello there. Do you have the problem of not finding or not locating the tiny batteries? Well, there is a simple and quick DIY solution. Today I am going to show you how you can make your own battery holster. It works both with triple or double batteries. So without further ado, let's get started. The materials I use in this tutorial are recycled. So the first step would be to find a suitable container. I chose the cardboard container. Let me remind you that this is a quick and simple solution. Hence, the final product will not be perfect. The triple holster is meant to be placed inside a drawer anyway, where it will be invisible. Next, you need to make the holder. Therefore, grab a piece of flat and thin wood. Hard cardboard will also do. Then, mark the line where you want to cut, because you don't want to use the whole container. Now, you can cut the wood or cardboard. You also want to resize the holder. So take measure and cut it. This part is important. Take measure of the actual container so you can take proper measure of the batteries. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Then you need to drill holes. There are many ways to drill measured holes. I chose this particular drill bit. You want to make sure that the hole is not too big. You can choose which side will be the upper side. You choose whether you need to sand it. To connect the holder and container, you can choose the glue of your choice. I went for the cheap glue stick. It takes a while to dry, but it does the job. This is the final product. Your very own AAA battery holster. As I said before, this is a quick and simple tutorial. Hence, the result is not perfect as you can see. It will be hidden inside the drawer anyways. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, comments or if you made a remake.